Imagine trying to build a house without any bricks. It doesn't matter how good your design is. Without bricks, there is no house. Well, English is the same without this one thing. Your sentences have no base. They just fall apart. That one thing is the noun. Hi everyone, I'm Namrata and welcome to Namrata English Center. Today we'll learn about nouns, the real building blocks of English. By the end of this video, you will understand what nouns are, the four main types and how to use them easily in your daily life. Ready to start building strong English? Let's start. So, what exactly is a noun? It's simple. A noun is a naming word. A noun gives a name to everything around you. We can put them into four easy groups. Person, like a student, a doctor, Namrata. Place, like school, office, Guwahati, India. Things, like pen, laptop, book, chair. Idea or feeling, like love, happiness, anger. So, if you can give it a name, it's a noun. Now, not all nouns are the same. Some are general and some are special. Common nouns are general names like boy, city, phone, company. But if you want to name a specific boy, Rahul, a specific city, Mumbai, a specific phone, iPhone, then they are proper nouns. And here's a golden rule. Proper nouns always start with a capital letter. Nouns can show one or many, that's singular or plural. Singular means one book, one friend, one chair. To make most nouns plural, we just add an S. One book becomes two books. One friend becomes two friends. But some words don't follow this rule. For example, one man, two men. One child, two children. We will discuss more about this in the next video. It's a big topic in itself. But for now, let's keep it simple. This part is very important. Some nouns can be counted. Some cannot. Countable nouns are easy. One pen, two pens, three pens. You can count them. Uncountable nouns cannot be counted like water, rice, sugar, advice, information. You can't say one water or two informations. That's wrong. To fix it, we use a unit, say a glass of water, a piece of information, or a bag of rice. Great job! You have just learned the building blocks of English. Now it's your turn. Comment below with one common noun you can see right now and one proper noun. If this video made nouns simple and fun, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Namrata English Center and share it with a friend who's learning English. Until then, bye-bye.